All right, so last example here on 10-3. The triangle and the rectangle shown below have the same perimeter. What is the perimeter of each shape? Okay, so not a lot of information in the words here, but the diagrams give you everything you need. So first thing we're noticing, hopefully, is a keyword of perimeter. That's showing up twice. So obviously, we need to figure out how to find perimeter. And if you don't remember this, you should be looking it up. Perimeter, you just do that by adding up all the sides. Adding up, and I'll even be more specific, the outsides. When they're telling us, this first sentence, that the triangle and the rectangle shown below have the same perimeter. Remember, in math, same means equal. So that means that the perimeter of the triangle is equal to the perimeter of the rectangle. See that little abbreviation I got going on there? That is how we're going to get our equation. We know that we find the perimeter by adding up all the outsides. Well, triangle perimeter, boom, 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 3 sides to add up. Let's not use that. Let's use purple instead. Rectangle perimeter, careful here. This is where this highlight comes in handy. Have I added up all the outsides if I just add up the 2x minus 1 and the x plus 9? No, I would have to go through and I would have to add all 4 of those sides, which leads us to some facts that we know about rectangles. If this side is x plus 9, that means that this side over here is also x plus 9. 2x minus 1 on this side, meaning that this side is also 2x minus 1. Taking the 2 seconds to label your diagram like that will prevent you from forgetting to add those things. My 9th graders continue to make mistakes like that, so try to work those out early. All right, so staying organized and keeping organized, I'm going to start with my triangle perimeter. So adding up all those sides together, 4x minus 1 plus x plus 4 plus 2x plus 2. Combining like terms, 4x plus x plus 2x, 4, 5, because again, that coefficient of 1 there gives me 5, 6, 7x. And then my minus 1 plus 4, that turns into 3. 3 plus 2 is a positive 5. So that tells me that the perimeter of the triangle is 7x plus 5. Up next, we need to find the perimeter, I'm using purple, of the rectangle. Notice how I'm just changing my notation here. Now you've got 2 options to set up the perimeter of your rectangle here. You can just add them all together, 2x minus 1 plus 2x minus 1 plus x plus 9 plus x plus 9. Or you can set it up with the distribution. The 2 times x plus 9 plus the 2 times 2x minus 1. Either option, it's up to you. I'm going to put a big or down here and show that. You do not need to show both of them. You only need to show one of them. Whichever one you're more comfortable with should be the one that you're going with. Okay, so combining my like terms, x plus x plus x plus x there, plus 2x, I said that wrong, so 2, 4, 5, 6x. And then combining your constants, 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 minus 2 is 16. So the perimeter of your rectangle is 16x plus 16, 6x plus 16. Okay, but we haven't created an equation yet to solve and get what we need to. So next, again, we need to go back to the mention that the triangle and the rectangle have the same perimeter. So I'm going to take that triangle perimeter of 7x plus 5, and I'm going to set it equal to the rectangle perimeter of 6x plus 16. And now we have a little baby equation with variables on both sides that we can solve. Isolating the variables by getting them all on the same side of the equal sign first. 7x minus 6x leaves me with a plain old 1x, or just x. Those cancel. My positive 16 carries down. This positive 5 is preventing x from being alone, so I'm going to minus 5 to both sides. 16 minus 5 gives us an x equals 11. But now we have not quite answered the question yet, because it was asking for the perimeter of each shape. All I found was the value of x. This is value of x, not your perimeter. So to go back, we have to take that value of x, plug it in to all of our sides here. So 4 times 11 minus 1, that's 44 minus 1 is 43. 11 plus 4 is 15. 11 times 2 is 22, plus 2 is 24. So the perimeter of my triangle is equal to 43 plus 24 plus 15, which is 82. Coming over to my rectangle, 2 times 11 minus 1, that's 22 minus 1 is 21. So that means this side is also 21. I actually could do that down here and have less disorganized. 11 plus 9 is 20, making this side 20. 2, 4, 6, 8. One more is 2. Now, this wasn't the only way you could have done this. You could have also come over here to our expressions and plugged 11 into the 7x plus 5, right? 7 times 11 is 77, plus 5 is that 82. And same thing down here with the 16x plus 6, right? And I'll just show you that once. Per rectangle, 6 times 11 plus 16, 66 plus 16 is that 82. So just make sure you're answering the question that it's asking you.